So here's a look at my truck that I've finished with the exception of painting, and I thought I would give a little overview of it and show a couple of the modifications that I've made. One of the issues I had was the bed not setting down on the chassis, and I was able to fix that by redoing the hinge mounts on the chassis. I also added a low voltage alarm, which also allows me to check the voltage of the battery by pushing the button here. And of course my switch rack, I added that, and so I have one master switch in the back that I can turn on, and it turns everything on as long as the other speed controllers are turned on. And I have forward and reverse, as well as steering right and left. And also I can dump the bed. And I'm just using a 5-channel pistol grip radio on this truck. I think that's probably more than enough. I don't know that I'm going to add anything else. One other issue I had was whenever I raised the bed up, the rear wheels were actually touching the tail light fixtures. And if you rolled the truck, the tread was popping on those fixtures and could break them. Once I adjusted the length of that rear hinge point mount, I took care of the tail lights being hit by the tire, and also it allowed the bed to be setting down onto the chassis flat. If you take a close look at the end here where the linkage attaches to the lift mechanism on the gate, you can see I added a little section of material, and I also slotted it so that the linkage could go underneath and then a screw go through it, and you put the linkage into the slot and put the screw through it to hold it in place. And this makes this point much stronger. I'm quite happy with that, and I just happen to have a bunch of swivels, so I opened those up and linked them together, and then was able to add a swivel setup for a chain because I did not have a chain handy. So I hope you've enjoyed this overview look of my 3D printed truck. I do need to add sound, and also if my hood matched the rest of the yellow, I wouldn't even bother painting it, but as it turns out, I had to print the hood several times before I figured out actually what my issue was. And it just so happens that there was more support needed other than what Bamboo was actually utilizing. And so after I added a few extra pieces of support, then the hood printed out great. I plan to build an excavator and a loader, so if you have any questions, you can send me an email, give me a phone call. I'll be glad to help you as best I can.